Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. So now we're gonna see how to create our first project in Eclipse. So to do this, we're gonna click on the file, we're gonna click new Java project, and I'm gonna name my project YouTube tutorial for the project. So use the project specific GRE to use the GDK 14, and we're gonna click on finish button. I'm not gonna create a module, so then create. Okay, here we go. So this is our project right here, and in this source file we're gonna create our classes. So let's right click on this source file, click new class, and I'm gonna name my class main, and let's click finish. Here we go. So this is our main class right here. So let's just create a hello world program. So let's create our main function. So it's gonna be public static void main, and it's gonna take actually a string array as an argument, which is args, and you're gonna type in here system.out.println hello world. So this is our hello world method. So let's run this. To run this file, we're gonna actually click on this green button right here, and here we go.